How to upload videos on Facebook page. Uploading videos on your Facebook page is the best way to engage your audience, and here's how you can do that. So first, go ahead and open up your Facebook page, head over to your profile, and then from here, click on this photo icon under all posts at the right side. So that will take you to your local drive. Select a video you want to post, and then go ahead and add your caption. And then if you want to edit this video, simply click on this video, and then you would find the video editing tool available on Facebook. So you can edit this video from here and then save it and then add your caption from here, tag people, add location, add your current emotion, or add it to a specific album. And then once you're done with it, you can go ahead and click on this next button to upload this specific video to your page.